Hey, what's up? Hello, Callie Malley here. In today's video, I am going to be showing you Arbonne's coffee protein. It is brand new, it just came out, and I am so excited about it because I did give up coffee 5 out of 7 days a week, but if there is an opportunity for me to still get my coffee in and it still be Arbonne 30 Days to Healthy Living friendly, then I am definitely for it. So if you would like to see me try out coffee from Arbonne for the first time, then please keep watching. This is Arbonne's Fill Fit coffee flavored protein. It has over 20 vitamins and minerals, helps satisfy hunger, and is absolutely delicious. It is 100% vegan and gluten-free. This smells like fresh coffee beans.
We're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll fall now. Let's take it slow.
This coffee protein, along with all of Arbonne's proteins, is made up of pea protein isolate, cranberry protein, and rice protein. The first coffee that I'm going to be making is one of my staple classic coffees. I normally wouldn't use as much milk, but this protein powder does call for 9 fluid ounces of non-dairy milk. So I used 9 ounces of almond milk. I poured that in first. What I would highly suggest is that you start off with a larger cup. I did not realize this, and so I kind of made a mess all over. So definitely use a larger cup with this. You're definitely going to need it. I then added my 2 scoops of protein powder, some ice, and then I just mixed it all together.
Still mine. And now we have the best times, no matter what we do. And even when we don't, there's nobody I'd rather choose. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it.
Again, this is my first time utilizing the coffee protein, and it is so delicious. I could not believe that there was even protein in there, and it was healthy for you. 10 out of 10, highly recommend.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you.
The next drink that I'm about to make is my spin on a caramel macchiato. The only thing I did is I threw everything into a blender, and I did not have a healthy caramel alternative, so I just used the caramel that I had from home. I squirted about a tablespoon in there and whipped it all up. I obviously know that that is not 30 Days to Healthy Living friendly, but it also is a million times better than going through Starbucks and getting their regular caramel macchiato. And it tastes exactly the same. It is so delicious, very creamy if you throw it in the blender. Only use a couple of cubes just to get it cold. Otherwise, it is ready to go.
Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on.
Stay tuned towards the end of this video. I do give 4 more recipes that I have not personally tried, but my Arbonne friends have, and they absolutely love them. The last recipe that I'm going to be making for you in this video is my personal favorite. I think it's a hidden gem and just absolutely one of those drinks that will surprise you. This tastes literally identical to the Starbucks drink. This is called the Java Chip, and I am very, very impressed. So what you do is you grab your 9 fluid ounces of your non-dairy creamer or milk. I chose the almond milk today. And then I did 1 scoop of chocolate, 1 scoop of coffee. I added a tish of sweetener just because I do like mine a little bit sweet. And then I added some frozen spinach. I swear, y'all, I talked about this before, but you cannot taste the difference in the spinach. It is just a super easy way to get your greens in. Even if your kids are someone who can't eat their greens, put it in a smoothie. I swear you won't notice a difference. Comment down below if you've tried it and you don't notice a difference. So anyway, and then I just added a little tiny handful, like a tablespoon of mini dark chocolate chips, and whip that all up in the blender. It gives it a little bit of a crunch, a little bit of a chocolate, a little bit of an almond, and then you get that coffee too. It's so good.
Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. 'Cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Hopefully you enjoy the protein powder as much as I do. It really smells so freaking good. It smells like there's fresh coffee beans in the house, like right now. And I suggest you getting it before it is all gone. But thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed the content that you saw today, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would help me out so much. And until next time.